In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com with Jira. To get started, open Monday.com and navigate to the board you want to connect. This is important because the integration will be set up specifically for that board. So make sure you're in the right workspace and looking at the exact board you want Jira to sync with. Taking a moment to confirm this now can save time later and help avoid connecting the wrong workflow. Once you're on the correct board, look for the Integrate or Integrations option. Depending on your layout or account version, the wording may be slightly different, but it will take you to the same place. The area where you can connect Monday.com with other tools and services. Click that option to open the Integration Center. From there, use the search bar to look for Jira. Typing it in directly is usually the fastest way to find it, especially if you have access to many available integrations. When Jira appears in the results, select the Jira integration to move forward. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign into your Jira account. Go ahead and complete the sign-in process so Monday.com can access the information needed to create the connection. If your organization uses additional verification during login, just follow the prompts on screen until access is approved. Make sure you're signing into the correct Jira account, particularly if you work with multiple projects or environments. After signing in, you'll be asked to choose the Jira project and map the Monday.com board fields you want to connect. This is the part where you define how information will flow between the two platforms. Take your time here and match the fields carefully so the right data ends up in the right place. For example, issue details in Jira should correspond to the appropriate columns in your Monday.com board. Accurate field mapping helps keep both systems organized and reduces the need for manual updates later. Once everything is configured, save the integration. After saving, test it using a sample item. This step is worth doing because it lets you confirm that the connection is working as expected before you rely on it in your day-to-day workflow. Create or use a sample item, then check whether the information appears correctly in Jira and in Monday.com. If the test works, your integration is ready to use. And that's how to connect Monday.com with Jira quickly and correctly.